For 37 years, Wilderness Safaris has used high-value, low-volume ecotourism to fund the conservation and restoration of Africa's wilderness and wildlife. Today, we face the most significant threat we've encountered in the history of our business. At the same time, we recognize that millions of people around the world are currently in a fight for their very survival. Yet, in the midst of these challenges, the message I bring you today is one of hope and resilience, and how you, our valued partners and guests, can play a key role in helping us secure the future of our conservation and community empowerment work. By choosing to visit us in Africa, you enable us to focus on our two most valuable assets, our people and our wildlife. With an average of 7 people dependent on one salaried family member, job losses across our industry will have a profound effect on the livelihoods of hundreds of rural African communities. We employ more than 2,700 people and feel an immense sense of responsibility to protect their jobs by ensuring that our business survives this crisis. But it's not only our staff that depend on our business. We fund our development and conservation work from our tourism revenues, as well as through donations from guests and travel partners who are inspired by the impact of our initiatives. These funds cover a broad spectrum of programs, including children in the wilderness, wildlife relocations, reforestation, rhino monitoring, rural farmer support, and critical human-wildlife conflict mitigation. We also fund the operation of a number of anti-poaching teams who work in close partnership with local wildlife authorities. In the current climate, the role of these units is more vital than ever, and the conservation value of people traveling to our camps has never been clearer. In fact, simply having a Wilderness Safaris camp in wildlife area acts as a deterrent to poachers and a safeguard to the environment. We are so grateful for all the support from our guests in these extraordinary times. If you have a trip booked that is impacted by the current situation, please consider postponing so we can welcome you back soon. Your journey with us will contribute to securing a future for wilderness and wildlife and the people who dedicate their lives to caring for them.